Chapter 4 Determinants. What is determinant of a matrix? The determinant of a matrix is a number, real or complex, that is specially defined only for square matrices. Determinants are mathematical objects that are very useful in the analysis and solution of system of linear equations. Determinants also have wide application in engineering, science, economics and social science as well. Let's now study about the determinant of a matrix. Consider a system of linear equation in two variables. a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, equation 1. a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, equation number 2. It can be expressed as matrix a1 b1 a2 b2 multiplied with matrix xy is equal to c1 c2. This system of equation has a unique solution or not is determined by the number a1 b2 minus a2 b1. In class 10 we learned that if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 or a1 b2 minus a2 b1 not equal to 0, then the system of linear equation has a unique solution. So the number a1 b2 minus a2 b1 which determine uniqueness of solution is associated with the matrix A is equal to a1 b1 a2 b2 and is called the determinant of A or determinant A. Now determinant of a matrix. To every square matrix A is equal to Aij of order n, we can associate a number, real or complex, called determinant of the square matrix A, where Aij is equal to ijth element of matrix A. If matrix A is equal to A, B, C, D, then determinant of A is written as determinant A, it is not modulus, is equal to determinant A, B, C, D or determinant A. Here we have to note that matrix A, determinant A is the read as determinant of A and not modulus of A. Only square matrices have determinant. It means that determinant is defined only for square matrix, not for the rectangular matrix. Determinant of matrix of order 1. Let A is equal to A be the matrix of order 1, then determinant of A is defined to be equal to A. Example, let matrix A is equal to 2, then determinant of A is equal to 2. Determinant of a matrix of order 2. Let matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 be a matrix of order 2 cross. Then the determinant of A is defined as determinant A is equal to determinant A, A11, A12, A21, A21 multiplied A11 with A22 minus A21 into A12. Example, let matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a square matrix of order 2 cross 2. And if we define its determinant, we find it 1, 3, 2, 4. This implies that 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2, that is 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Determinant of a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Determinant of a matrix of order 3 can be determined by expressing it in terms of second order determinants. This is known as expansion of a determinant along a row or a column. There are 6 ways of expanding a determinant of order 3 corresponding to each of 3 rows R1, R2 and R3 and 3 columns C1, C2 and C3 giving the same value. Consider the determinant of a square matrix A is equal to Aij 3 cross 3. That is, determinant A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Expansion of a determinant of order 3 along first row, that is R1. Step 1. Multiply first element A11 of R1 by minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 and with the second order determinant obtained by deleting the element of first row and first column of determinant A, as A11 lies in the row 1 and column 1, 3, 3. Consider example. Determinant A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, it is row 1, it is row 2, it is row 3. It is column 1, it is column 2, it is column 3. Now, here in A11 is equal to 1 and determinant obtained by deleting the first row and first column, that is 5, 8, 6, 9. Now we minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into A11, that is 1, 5, 8, 6, 9. What will get is here? Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, that is plus 1 into 1, 1 into 5, 8, 6, 9. That is, find the value of second order determinant. 5 into 9 minus 8 into 6. That is 45 minus 48. That is minus 3. Step 2. Multiply second element A12 of R1 by minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 and the second order determinant obtained by deleting elements of row 1 and second column C2 of determinant A, as A12 lies in R1 and column number 2. For the example considered, A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We multiplied A12, that is A12 is equal to 2 with minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, that is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 minus 1 to the power 3, that is minus 1. So A12 is multiplied with minus 1. A12 is equal to 2, 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. Now obtain the second order determinant obtained by deleting first row and second column, that is 4 7 6 9. Now multiplied A12 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 with 4 7 6 9, that is we get here minus 2 into 4 into 9 minus 7 into 6, that is we get minus 2 into 36 minus 42, that is minus 2 into minus 6, that is 12. Step 3, multiply third element A13 of R1 by minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 and the second order determinant obtained by deleting element of first row and third column of determinant A, as A13 lies in R1 and column number 3. For considered example, A13 is equal to 3. Multiply this by minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3, that is minus 1 to the power 4, that is plus 1. So A13 is multiplied with 1, we get 3. Now obtain the determinant obtained by deleting first row and third column, that is 4 7 5 8. Find the value of this determinant. We get 4 into 8 minus 5 into 7, that is 32 minus 35, that is minus 3. Now multiply minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 A13 with minus 3, that is 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9. Step 4. Now the expansion of determinant A, that is determinant A written as sum of all three terms obtained in step 1, 2 and 3 above is given by determinant A is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 A11 into determinant obtained by row 1 and column 1 plus minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 A12 into determinant obtained by first row second column plus minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 A13 into determinant obtained by first row and third column. In considered example, value obtained in step 1 is equal to minus 3, value obtained in step 2 12 and value obtained in step 3 it is minus 9. Now according to step 4 we add the value obtained in step 1, step 2 and step 3, that is minus 3 plus 12 plus minus 9, you get here 0. So determinant A is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into 1 Determinant obtained by first row, first column 5, 8, 6, 9 plus minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into 2 into determinant obtained by first row second column 4, 7, 6, 9 plus minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 into 3 determinant obtained by deleting first row and third column. Now we get here 1 into 45 minus 48 plus minus 2 into 36 minus 42 plus 3 into 32 minus 35. We get minus 3 plus 12 minus 9 is equal to 0. Expansion along second row, that is R2. Let determinant A is given by A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. It is 3 cross 3. Now expanding along row 2, we follow the same procedure as expanding along row 1. Here what we'll do, instead of taking element of row 1, we take the element of row 2 and follow the same procedure. Determinant A is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1. That is, element is belongs to the second row first column into A21 and determinant obtained by deleting second row first column plus minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 and A22 multiplied with A22, that is, element belongs to second row second column, and delete the row and column in which the elements belongs and multiply the determinant of second order, that is A11, A13, A31 and A33 plus minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3, A23, A11, A12, A31, A32. Determinant A is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into 4, determinant obtained by deleting second row first column, that is 2, 8, 3, 9 plus minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into elements which belongs to second row second column, it is 5 multiply the second order determinant obtained by second row second column 1, 7, 3, 9 plus minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 elements which belongs to second row third column, that is 6. Now multiply the determinant obtained by deleting second row, third column, 1, 7, 2, 8. We get minus 1 into 4, 18 minus 24 plus 1 into 5, 9 minus 21 plus minus 1 into 6 into 8 minus 14 is equal to minus 4 into minus 6 plus 5 into minus 12 plus minus 6 into minus 6. You get here 24 minus 60 plus 36. You get 60 minus 60 is equal to 0. So what we observe, we get the same value of the determinant if we expand it row 1 or row 2. Similarly, we can expand the determinant along the row 3. Expansion along first column. We follow the same procedure as expand the determinant along the row 1. Here, instead of taking the element of row 1, we take the element of column 1. We discuss this through an example. Consider row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2, column 3. Now determinant A is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. Element belongs to first row, first column, that is 1, and multiplied with determinant obtained by deleting first row, first column, 5, 8, 6, 9 plus minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into element which belongs to second row, first column, that is 4, and determinant obtained by deleting second row, first column, 2, 8, 3, 9 plus minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 into 7 multiplied the determinant obtained by third row, first column. We get minus 3 minus 4 into minus 6, 3, minus 3 plus 24 minus 21 is equal to 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. Similarly, we can expand the determinant along the column 2 and column 3. In all the 6 ways, we get the same value of the determinant. Here we note the following things. First, for easier calculation, we shall expand the determinants along that row or column which contains maximum number of 0. It means before expanding the determinant, we have to observe that which row or column has maximum number of 0. After that, we expand it along the that row or column. Second one, while expanding instead of multiplying minus 1 to the power I plus j, we can multiply it by plus 1 or minus 1 according to as I plus j is even or odd. Third, in general, if A is equal to K into B, where A and B are square matrices of order n, then determinant A is equal to K to the power n into determinant B, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3. Consider A is equal and matrix B is equal to, here matrix A is equal to 3 into B. Now determinant A is equal to minus 18 and determinant B is equal to minus 2. We observe that determinant A is equal to minus 18 is equal to 9 into minus 2 is equal to 3 square into determinant B is equal to 3 to the power k into determinant B, where k is equal to 2. Now exercise 4.1, evaluate the determinants in exercise 1 and 2. First, determinant 2 minus 5, 4 minus 1. We get 2 into minus 1 minus 5 into 4, that is minus 2 plus 20, that is 18. Next, second one, first determinant cos theta minus sin theta cos theta is equal to cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta into minus sin theta, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Second part, determinant x square minus x plus 1 x plus 1 x minus 1 x plus 1. We get x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 minus x plus 1 into x minus 1. Question number 3, A is equal to, we have to show that first we find determinant A. Determinant A is equal to 1 4 2 2 is equal to 2 minus 8 equal to minus 6. Now is equal to 2 4 8 4. is equal to 8 minus 32, that is minus 24. Here we observe that is equal to minus 24 is equal to 4 into minus 6 is equal to 4 into determinant A. Number 5, part 1. Let we observe that in row 2 there are 2 zeros, so we expand given determinant along with row 2. We get A21 is 0, so plus A22 is 0, plus in A23 here it is 2 plus 3 minus 1 into minus 1 into determinant obtained by deleting row 2 and column 3 minus 1 minus 5. We get 1 to minus 15 plus 3, that is minus 12. Second part, let expand along with row 1 3 into determinant obtained by deleting row 1 and column 1 1 3 minus 2 1 and then minus 4 determinant obtained by deleting first row second column 1 2 minus 2 1 plus 5 determinant obtained by deleting first row third column 1 2 1 3. Now we get 3 into 1 plus 6 plus 4 into 1 plus 4 plus 5 into 3 minus 2, at 21 plus 20 46. Question number 7, first part. Find the value of x if is equal to 2x 4 6 x. This implies that 2 into 1 minus 4 into 5 is equal to 2x square minus 6 into 4. This implies that 2 minus 20 is equal to 2x square minus 24. This implies that minus 18 plus 24 is equal to 2x square. This implies that 6 upon 2 is equal to x square. This implies that 3 is equal to x square. This implies that x is equal to plus minus under root 3. Question number 8. We have to find the value of x. It is given that two determinants are equal. So here we get x square minus 36 is equal to 36 minus 36. That is x square minus 36 is equal to 0. This implies that x square is equal to 36. This gives x is equal to plus minus 6.